Greetings from Morrow Woods. Meow. 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 I have the two friendliest cats down here this morning. Kit Kat got his hopefully final, worm medicine yesterday. The treatment's almost killed him, actually. But be that as it may, when I get TT upstairs, my hope is to be able to afford to take him to the vet and get him treated professionally for fleas, ticks, neutering, all whatever shots he needs. Get him all up to speed. Doing so costs quite a bit, but hopefully I can afford it. I don't know. Seems like having a loving cat to greet me when I come home is worth quite a bit. All right, God bless.